Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the 6th lecture of our Parts of Speech series, and today we are going to study about prepositions. So we'll see what are the different rules related to them, what are the different types of prepositions, and then we'll practice many questions related to prepositions. So this is going to be very important for all the upcoming exams, hence I request you that please watch the video till the end and please also attempt the assignment questions which will be at the end of this session. Also, you can contact me on any of these social media platforms for any of your queries related to the exams, and please also visit novation.in where you can get free video resources, free online quizzes, and also you can support Novation if the content posted here helps you. So with that friends, let's jump straight into our session. So first thing first, what are prepositions? Okay friends, so these are basically friends words, small words which sit before a noun and indicate a relationship between the noun and any other word in the sentence. So आप ये जो prefix देख रहे हैं दोस्तों, pre, इसका meaning होता है to come before. So these words come before a noun and then they indicate a relationship between the noun and any other word in the sentence. So let's understand this definition with some examples. First is, Abhishek is from our village. So here, our village is a noun. Okay, so it's the name of the place, so it's a noun, and it is relating, the word from is relating our village to Abhishek. Alright, so it is showing a relationship, hence from is a preposition. Next, a ball for the dog. So the dog is my noun and for is showing its relation with the ball, hence for is a preposition. Next, the gift is inside the box. So box is the noun and inside is showing its relationship with the gift. So inside is my preposition. Next, he threw a coin into the pond. So the pond is again my is a name of the place or name of a thing. So it is a noun and into is showing its relationship with the coin. So something was thrown in the pond into the pond. So into is my preposition. Okay friends, so I hope 4 examples are clear and इससे आपको preposition समझ में आए होंगे. कुछ common prepositions होते हैं like above, about, across, against, and all these you can read. So these are not categorized right now. We'll categorize them in the coming slides. All right. So चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So there are 2 important types of prepositions. First is the preposition of time. Second is the preposition of place or direction. So हम इन दोनों को in depth अब पढ़ेंगे और इनके examples भी देखेंगे. उसके बाद we'll do some important questions. So let's start. First we'll see preposition of time. So as the name suggests, preposition of time shows the relationship of time between the nouns to other parts of the sentence. So किसी noun का दूसरे word के साथ time में क्या relation है वो preposition of time के द्वारा हमें पता चलता है. Let's see some example words of preposition of time. So on, at, in, from, to, since, ago, before, until or till, by. These are the words which are which show preposition of time. Okay, so these are very common preposition of times. Now let's see some examples जिससे आपको ये और clear होगा. He left the office at 6 p.m. So what was the time? The time is again a noun here. अब time का relation बता रहे हैं हमको office के साथ या कब office को छोड़ा. So at will be my preposition of time here. It is also given in the list. So at is a preposition of time here. Next, let's see quickly. My grandfather was born in 1906. So again 1906 is showing a time and in is my preposition here. We are going to watch a movie on Friday night. So on is my correct preposition here. Last, I was waiting for your call since Monday. So Monday से if someone is waiting then we can use since here. Okay, हम जब duration of time बताते हैं किसी point of time से. So starting Monday I am still waiting. Okay, so since I'll use here, that's my correct preposition. Next we have is preposition of place or direction. So friends, these are also very similar to preposition of time. Let's see the definition. So preposition of place shows the relationship of place between the noun and the other part of the sentence. So earlier we were having the relationship of time. Now we are having a relationship of place or direction between the noun and any other part of the sentence. So let's see some common list. So on, at, in, by, from, towards, and all these words are showing some common preposition of place or direction. Let's see their use in sentences. First is, He found the phone under the tree. So where was the phone found? It was under. It is showing the place under the tree, and the tree is my noun here. So noun के पहले क्या आएगा? That is preposition. Alright, next, she is from South Africa. So it is showing again preposition of place, from, and the place will be South Africa. Please keep the books on the shelf. Okay, so I want to keep something on the shelf. The shelf will be my noun, and on shows that I am putting it at a place. So place is indicated by on, hence it's a preposition of place. Next, Rahul is at his friend's home. Again, at is clearly showing what is that place. So it's my preposition of place again. Okay friends, so these were the different two types of prepositions that I wanted to discuss. Now we'll see some various important practice questions. So आप उनको भी मेरे साथ practice कर सकते हैं, या आप वीडियो को पॉज करके खुद से भी आंसर चेक कर सकते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Now it's the time for practice questions. So as always, first we'll be underlining all the prepositions in the following sentences. So let's start with the first one. The birds flew through the air. So air is my noun here, and through, the word through is showing the relationship of the noun air with the word flew. Okay, so through will be my preposition here. Next, I am at the University of California. Now here the word at is showing the preposition of place here. The place will be University of California. So at is my preposition. Next we have is the crocodile is under the water. Okay, so the water is my noun here, and under is showing the preposition of place. So under is my preposition. Next, the children are running around the room as fast as they can. So here around is showing me the direction because they are all around the room. Hence around will be your preposition. Next, the chair is beside the table. What is the position or the place? It is beside. So beside is my preposition. So now friends, again we'll be underlining the prepositions. So let's start. First is park your bike next to the garage. So here the garage is my noun, and next to is the preposition which is showing the garage's relationship with the bike. Hence next to will be my preposition. Next, place the pen inside the drawer. So the drawer will be the noun here, and inside will be my preposition which is showing the relationship or the place where the pen will be kept. Next, walk toward the shop and then turn left. So here friends, toward is the correct preposition as it shows the relationship where I have to walk, basically the direction. Okay, so toward shows the direction here. The mall is opposite the house. Again, preposition of direction, opposite is correct. Then they live in the village. So here in shows me the preposition here. Alright, so we'll move forward. Okay, so now friends, we'll be filling the blanks with correct prepositions. The first is, she hid the letter dash the two books. Okay, so friends, first is between. Can between be used? So she hid something or a page or a letter between two books. So it is correct, it seems good. But can I use in? Can I hide one page or one letter in two different things? No, so in is wrong, between is correct. First, second, the river flows dash the bridge. Okay, so can the river flow through the bridge? No, it cannot because bridge is actually generally above the river, and if it will flow through the bridge, where will the pedestrian or the vehicles will move? Hence the correct answer is the river flows under the bridge. Next, may I hang my coat dash his. Okay, may I hang my coat in his? So this in does not make any sense. Let's see on the top of. So may I hang my coat on the top of his? Yes friends, it makes very sense because मैं पूछ रहा हूँ can I hang it on somebody else's coat? So on the top of is correct here. Let's see the fourth one. The children are running dash us. So away from, yes, it is correct. They can run away from us in any direction. So this is the correct preposition of direction. Running up us. Up does not make sense. So up is wrong. Next, who's that man walking dash the house? On, can on be correct? क्या कोई house के ऊपर चल सकता है? That does not make sense. Walking towards the house. So this is correct. Toward या towards दोनों सही हैं. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Again we need to fill the blank. First is, the book is dash the thing on my desk. The book is among the things on my desk. So this does make sense because there are lots of things. So it is somewhere among those things. But can it be between? Between तब यूज होता है जब दो चीजें हों और उसके बीच में कोई चीज हो. Alright, but here there are many things. So among is the correct preposition. So between is wrong. There's a lizard hiding dash the refrigerator. So here, can I use across? Across is basically opposite. So if it was opposite refrigerator, was it hiding? It does not make a clear sense. But under does make a very clear sense that it is beneath or under the refrigerator and it is hiding. So under is my correct answer. Next, my shoes are dash the closet. So closet is basically where you, a kind of rack where you can keep your shoes. So in the closet makes sense, but not on the, you don't keep your shoes above the closet generally. You keep them inside or in. So on is wrong, in is correct. Next, the toothbrush is dash the mirror. At the mirror, no, at cannot be, it cannot be used as a place, right? So at is wrong. Below the mirror, yes, this shows the position, so below is correct. The necklace is dash my neck. Around, yes, around make a very perfect sense. The necklace is around my neck. Through my neck, is it passing through your neck? No, this does not make sense, so through is wrong. Now friends, we have MCQs, so हमें एक आंसर सही चुनना है, and which of these word in the sentence is a preposition. Okay, so let's find out. He wrote a secret letter to the Santa and hid it behind the sofa. So friends, कहाँ पर छुपाया है? Behind. Behind is showing me the correct position. Okay, so behind is the preposition. Now next, eat your popcorn during the show. So during is showing me the preposition of time. It is relating the show with popcorn and showing the relationship in terms of time. So during will be the preposition. Next, they are in school from May until December. So they will start from May and they will remain there till December. So both these words are showing me the preposition of time. So my correct answer will be D, both B and C. So next is, she will finish her homework by 5 o'clock. So friends, that's a very easy one and it is your assignment. Please tell me the correct answer in the comment section and then I'll verify it. So friends, with that we come to an end to this parts of speech session on prepositions. I hope the video was helpful and I thank you so much for watching it till the end. And if the video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Novation for more important videos on English grammar, verbal ability, current affairs, business awareness, etc. And friends, मैं आपसे फिर से request करूँगा that please visit novation.in and if you are liking the content of Novation, आप please Novation पे जो novation.in पे जो donate button है उस पे जाके Novation को support कर सकते हैं. With that friends, I'll wrap up today's session and I'll meet you again next time with another awesome video. Until then, please take care and bye bye.